How to make money with Repocket, and will Repocket really pay you to do nothing but download the app and have it on your device? Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video we'll be looking at Repocket. As you can see right here, I'm currently on their website repocket.com, and this is an app that pays persons to simply use their spare data or Wi-Fi. So all you'll have to do is download the app and have it on your mobile device, whether that be an Android or iPhone or your tablet. All you'll have to do is download the app. Once you have downloaded the app, you'll simply leave it right there, and that's it. You'll be getting paid. Now if I should scroll down, you can get an idea of how much you'll be able to earn. As you can see right here, depending on the number of devices that you have connected to Repocket. So let's say for example you use your phone and also your tablet, and you share for example 10 gigs per day, you'll be able to earn $120 per month. So that's it. You'll be able to earn free money by not doing anything but having the app installed on your device. And if you have more than 2 devices and have for example 4, you'll be able to earn $240 per month, which is a good amount of money. That's definitely good gas money or even more. As you can see here, how can I earn more? You can add more devices and refer more users to maximize your earning. There is no limit on earning, so refer as many users as possible. Yes, when it comes to Repocket, you'll be getting a good percentage. As you can see, 5% of whatever the other person earns when you refer them. So their referral program is definitely good, and you don't have to worry about your data privacy, as they take privacy very seriously and they do not share your personal information outside the information needed to operate the service. And how is the internet used? Clients of their product use their internet. Companies use your internet to monitor prices, search Google, and monitor stock pricing and competitor research. And which devices can you use? At the time, they are only accepting mobile and tablet devices. And I can't connect. How can I fix this? If you're having problem connecting, you can fix most issues by checking your device if your device is connected to the internet, and that the Repocket app has the relevant permission in your phone settings. So this is basically it when it comes to Repocket. All you'll need to do is download the app, and Repocket will use your spare data or Wi-Fi over all your spare internet while your phone is there idle, and you'll be able to get paid. So you don't have to do anything at all to earn a good pocket money every month. And if you have more devices, this can turn into more than pocket money. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe